Hello, people of Earth, the citizens of Earth, and throughout the galaxy, and throughout the universe, and another dimension. I told you there will be more earthquakes and disasters. I told you so. I told you. Japan is 9.1 on the Richter scale. Get ready for some more. Get ready for more earthquakes and hurricanes and floods. There are going to be more disasters on the way. Get prepared, people. We are on a bumpy road. A real bumpy road. The time is coming. 2012 is near. It might be our last Christmas this year. It is 2011 right now. It might be our last Christmas in 2011. And then December 19th, 2012, the winter solstice, when all hell breaks loose. This is just the beginning, people. We are being warned. This is just the beginning. 9.1 earthquake in Japan, people. Wake up! Listen to me. To the aliens. To the people. I've been telling you and telling you there's going to be more stuff and more problems on the way. I've been telling you, and I've been telling you. People, wake up. Get ready. Start buying supplies. Start buying generators. Start making generators. Make the Newman generators. Make the Newman generators. Make any type of generator that has free energy. Do it. Do it now. Start saving up and stocking up on food supplies. Like Mountain House food. Buy it. Freeze-dried food. Buy it. Buy it. Mountain House. Buy Spam. Buy freeze-dried ice cream. I don't care. As long as you get ready. Well, people of Earth, like I already said, like the alien already said, live long and prosper.